Hi, it's Buddy J 2019. Hi Jay. I pray that God blesses your union. I pray for everything your heart desires. Congrats.
Yay! I just get married today and I'm so happy. I feel it's like a dream come true for her, and I just pray she gets the perfect marriage she desires, because she's a good person and she deserves the best. So IJ, I wish you all the best in your marriage, okay? Bye!
Hey, I'm Nena. I'm so happy today because IJ is getting married. She's such an amazing person. So I wish her a happy married life. I wish her all the blessings that come with marital bliss. I'm so happy. Yay!
Hello, my name is Favor Daniels. I'm so happy that EJ is getting married today, and I wish her long life and prosperity and peace in her marriage with beautiful kids and God's blessing. Thank you.
Hi. Okay, this is Vali J. Yay! Oh, Esperance, I'm so happy for you. Val, my in-law, sex in-law. I wish you guys happy married life, blissful years, good old together. 12 children, please. You guys should make it 12. You can do it. I love you guys. I'm happy for you guys. Thank you.
My name is Engineer Ifo Valentine Ngozi. Today is my wedding day. I'm gonna get married to my lovely wife, or my wife to be, Barrister Ijoma Ipuna. I have known this beautiful girl for some time now, and we met. She'll be like, I don't know. I'm not good with the dates, but I think we've known each other for 5 years, and we've been moving together. And today is a great day that we have chosen to be together with each other. So I said, let me go to church and tell God that I have found a wife. Like it is written in the Bible that who finds a wife finds a good thing. So I think I'm very happy today. That I'm presenting my wife and my better half to God. I pray that God will bless us and give us long life and prosperity, bless us with fruit of womb, and that we will live together in happiness and in love. This is my wishes for us. And I'm praying also for the people coming for this wedding, that God will bless them, give them favor and every grace they need, that we bring them down from wherever they are coming from, down to where this wedding is taking place. My promise to my wife is that I'm going to remain faithful to her, love her as long as I live.